Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video covers my personal experience using Wasabi. Wasabi, found at wasabi.com, presents itself as a hot cloud storage solution. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's dive in and explore this platform, examining its features, pricing structure, and overall usability. My goal here is to provide you with enough information to determine if Wasabi is the right fit for your cloud storage needs. Wasabi's primary selling point is its competitive pricing, often boasting significantly lower costs than industry giants like AWS S3. They achieve this by eliminating egress fees and API request charges, which can often add up unexpectedly with other providers. This predictable pricing model makes budgeting for cloud storage much simpler and potentially much more affordable, especially for those with high data transfer requirements. However, it's important to note that there are minimum storage commitments, so be sure to factor that into your calculations. Beyond cost, Wasabi emphasizes performance and security. They claim faster data retrieval speeds than competitors, which can be a critical factor for many applications. Their security measures include 11 nines of data durability and compliance with various industry standards, offering peace of mind that your data is safe and readily available. Of course, as with any cloud service, it's prudent to understand their specific security policies and procedures. While Wasabi offers an S3-compatible API, enabling easy integration with existing tools and workflows, it's important to consider potential limitations. For instance, certain features commonly found in other cloud platforms, like built-in content delivery networks, CDNs, or serverless computing functionalities, might not be directly integrated into Wasabi's core offering. You might need to rely on third-party integrations or alternative solutions to fill these gaps. Ultimately, choosing the right cloud storage solution depends on your individual needs and priorities. Wasabi appears to be a strong contender, especially if cost-effectiveness and performance are top priorities. But be sure to thoroughly research and compare it to other available options to ensure it aligns with your specific requirements. If you have any questions about my experience with Wasabi, feel free to leave them in the comments below.